In this lesson, we're going to explain the find command. Now, the find command is used to search for files using different criterias. To better explain, let's head over to the terminal. So, I'm currently standing in home/Ibrahim/documents, and with the find command, it really doesn't make a difference where you're standing exactly when you're issuing the command. So let's say, for example, I want to find all the files that are .txt, that the name ends with .txt. So you first write the command, which is find. Then you're gonna write where you want the command to look. So in my example, I'm gonna search in /home. And then you're gonna define the criteria, the search criteria. So in the first example, we're gonna use by name, so write dash and name. And I'm gonna open up double quotations and write asterisk, so if you remember the wildcard, .txt. So basically searching for anything .txt in the /home directory and of course the subdirectories. If I hit enter, you're going to see that it says we have home Ibrahim documents file 2.txt, file 1.txt, we have doc1, doc2 in the public directory, and we have at the Ibrahim directory as well a doc1.txt. So this is searching by name. Of course, you can specify a specific name rather than using a wildcard. So for example, I can just search for doc1.txt, for example, and hit enter, and it's going to find the two documents that I have that are named doc1.txt. This is the first example, searching by name. The second one we're going to cover is searching by size. So let's say, for example, I'm going to search in the /boot directory this time, and I'm going to search by size, so dash size, and you're going to use a plus sign, for example. So I'm looking for files that are bigger than 10 megabyte, and here you can use uppercase K for kilobyte, uppercase M for megabyte, uppercase G for gigabyte. So let's say, for example, files with size larger than 10 megabyte. If I hit enter, you're going to see that it spits out three files here. These are supposedly bigger than 10 megabyte. If I want to see how big they are exactly, I can do an ls-lh on one of those files. So if I take this file, for example, I'm just gonna right click copy and just paste it. And if I hit enter, it's gonna show me details around that file. And here I can see the size is 40 megabytes. And as you can see, I use the ls-lh command with an absolute path of a file, and that works just fine. So not only can I use the ls command within a directory, but I can also just give it right away the absolute path of a directory or of a single file, and it's going to generate the details needed for that directory or for that file.